Yeah, I hate to admit it, but I bought myself a brand new lawnmower. Haven't bought one of these in 50 years. Self-propelled. Come with a bag. We're gonna open it up here and see what it's like. Uh, I'm so used to working on old junker ones. This ought to be quite a experience for me. Check it out in a minute. I don't have my tripod with me, so I got it sitting in a vise. Yeah, I know. It's kind of crude. I'm gonna take out these bolts that are sitting in here. Hold handle up. Notice it's a carriage bolt, even though they were stuck in the opposite way. They poured the paint on it, that's for sure. I'm going to need some guidance on this. I'm not sure how that works. Let me look at the pictures. Came with oil. Okay, what's under there? Stopping it. Ha! Look at that, huh? What in the hell is that? Huh! Those handles go clear down in there. Look at that. Huh. It's one way to keep a kid from starting it. Kept me from starting it. Alright. Get somewhere. Looks more like it. Huh. Cool. Now we got it. Now the cable's in the right length. Break. Break. So I forget, I'll put the oil in it. Huh, looks like at one time there was a little bit of oil, look. Barely. Global materials. In other words, who knows where the rest of it came from. And the engine parts were probably from another country. I don't know. I'm going to put the whole can in. What is it, a pint? 15 fluid ounces. Fluid ounces. Weird. Ta-da! We're between the marks. Yeah, right there. Perfect. Good job, drinking Stratton. All right. There we go. Pop it all in place. This is the bag. Ain't a very big bag. Oops. This side came off. I'm a dud. I don't know, it looks kind of chintzy to me, but maybe it'll work. Most people that live in town are probably going to want to use the bag. Come out of there. It's not very elastic. Okay, so I got pretty much clipped on there. Thing is, I still don't know how to hook it to the damn lawnmower. It's gotta be simple. Turn the lawnmower over here at an angle. We can both see. Talk about slots. I don't see any slots. Slots. They're really not slots, they're indentions. Right ahead of these screws, there's a little indention there. Is that it? That don't look right. Oh, okay. There we go. Noing, 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 noing. So, wow, that's it. Ain't a very big bag. I got a feeling I'm gonna be dumping it over and over again. Whatever you do, don't throw the box away. You gotta have the box to see how to do it. I want you to get a good look at that. Does my mower look like that? I don't know. Kinda. This starts the motor, and the other one starts the... I'm going to get it off of here before I drop it. I'm going to drop it off the table if I ain't careful. Here we go. And I have to hold it. Well, it's not very heavy once you get it. There. Get this table out of the way. Do not use E15 or E85. Service air cleaner at least once a season. Yeah, I think so. In other words, don't turn it upside down. You get oil in the cylinders. You know what I haven't seen yet? I haven't seen a spark plug. No contraption here. Right here's a spark plug. This is all black, you can't hardly tell it. Alright, I'm gonna get some more gas in it. See if this silly thing will run. Dust off this thing. Are we still recording? Yeah. Start again. Alright. Get the sawdust off of it. This gas has been sitting here all winter, most of the winter. But it still should be good. It's been stored where it's cool. It's actually frozen. It smells like gas, so I'll store her up. Not spilling too much. Quite holds very much. There she is. It appears that instead of having these adjusters on each wheel, you only have to adjust one and adjust both wheels. Cool. So I'm gonna take it all the way up. See what I'm gonna do here. I'll move it. Basically for the first mowing. And this is the back wheels here. Huh. That's pretty high up. I had a Honda 150 when I was a kid, a 150 Scrambler. It was a great bike. I'd think about 70 miles an hour. I don't think this will. I'm looking to see if it's got a primer on it. No prime, no choke, just pull for power. Well, we'll see, won't we? Here goes nothing. Gotta pull back on the handle, safety handle. You gotta hold this down. I got a tie wrap here just to hold it right now. And give it a yank and see what happens. Oh, I've never seen anything like it. I mean, I didn't even hardly jerk it. Look. Real smooth. Nice.